Which was the first Indian private airlines to launch flights to China? Uttaram, Jet Airways. National Research Center for Banana is located at Uttaram, Trichy. Pagal Pandi movement was of Uttaram, Garo. Which among the following states of India was ruled by Ahom dynasty? Assam. Which mountain range separates the Indo-Gangetic plains from Deccan Plateau? Uttaram, Satpura. The tidal port of India. Uttaram, Kandla. The Jaravas was tribal people of Uttaram, Andaman group of islands. Who among the following Delhi Sultans was known as Lak Baks? Uttaram, Qutbuddin Aibak. The Indian classical music work Rag Darpan was translated into Persian during the reign of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The Indian Institute of Horticulture Research is located at which among the following? Bangalore. The Treaty of Segouli defined the relation of British India with which among the following neighbours? Uttaram, Nepal. The Regulation 17 passed by the British government was related to Uttaram, abolition of slavery. The Sara Bandi campaign of 1922 was led by Uttaram, Vallabhbhai Patel. Digital India program was launched on Uttaram, 2015. Indian government issued Dowry Prohibition Act in the year Uttaram, 1961. Where was the Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted? Uttaram, Paris. Who among the following was the chairman of Fundamental Rights Subcommittee of Constituent Assembly? Uttaram, J.B. Kripalani. Which of the following article empowers the President to appoint the Prime Minister of India? Uttaram, Article 75. Who among the following did not serve as the Vice President before becoming the President of India? Uttaram, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Pippa Vav in Gujarat is best known for which among the following? India's first private port. At which place Alagananda and Bhagirathi meets and take the name Ganga? Uttaram, Devaprayag. In which river India's largest riverine island Majuli is situated? Uttaram, Brahmaputra. Which of the following dam is not on the river Krishna? Uttaram, Krishnaraja Sagar. Maulavi Ahmadullah led the 1857 revolt in Faizabad. The Wahhabi and Kuka movements witnessed during the viceroyalty of Uttaram, Lord Mayo. National Human Rights Commission is formed in Uttaram, 1993. Which program given the slogan Garibi Hatao? Fifth 5-year plan. Which one of the following was launched with the objective of helping the poor in rural areas to become self-employed? Trisome. Which of the following is the regulator of credit rating agencies in India? Uttaram, SEBI. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Uttaram, Jawaharlal Nehru. Niti Aayog, the new name of Planning Commission, established in the year Uttaram, 2015. Headquarters of Bharatiya Mahila Bank. Uttaram, Mumbai. Joint military exercise of India and Nepal. Uttaram, Surya Kiran. Kirobo is the world's first talking robot. It was developed by Uttaram, Japan. Bhimbedka, famous for rock shelters and cave paintings, located at Madhya Pradesh. India's largest national park, Hemis, situated in Jammu and Kashmir. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വരുവാണെങ്കിൽ ഓർക്കുക അതിൻ്റെ ഉത്തരം ലഡാക്കാണ്. കാരണം ജമ്മു കാശ്മീരും ലഡാക്കും 2 യൂണിയൻ ടെറിട്ടറീസ് ആയിട്ട് മാറിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, ദ യൂണിയൻ ടെറിട്ടറി ദാറ്റ് സ്കാറ്റേഴ്സ് ഇൻ 3 സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സ്. ഉത്തരം പുതുച്ചേരി. ഹൂ റെക്കമെൻഡഡ് ഫോർമേഷൻ ഓഫ് യൂണിലിംഗ്വൽ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഓഫ് പഞ്ചാബ് ഫോർ പഞ്ചാബി സ്പീക്കിംഗ് പീപ്പിൾ. ഉത്തരം ഷാ കമ്മീഷൻ. ഹൂ among the following were popularly known as red shirts? ഉത്തരം ഹുദായി ഖിദ്മത്കർസ്. Which of the following exercised profound influence in framing the Constitution of India? Government of India Act 1935. From where was India's multi-purpose telecommunication satellite INSAT 2E launched? Kauru. First hydroelectric power plant in India. Uttaram Darjeeling. India's first jute mill was founded in 1854 in the year at Rishara. The Governor General who brought General Service Enlistment Act, Lord Canning. Which of the following European officers defeated Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi during the revolt of 1857? Answer, General Hugh Ross. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, the largest tribal rebellion in British India was? ഉത്തരം സാന്താൾ അപ്രൈസിംഗ്. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, the World Book Fest of 2017 held at Dehradun. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, the author of The Quest for a World Without Hunger. ഉത്തരം M.S. സ്വാമിനാഥൻ. The cyclone that was formed in Bay of Bengal on May 2017 is? Mora. The country that handed over the historical digital record monsoon correspondence to India? Portugal. The venue of World Economic Forum 2017? Davos. Shalimar Garden at Srinagar was raised by Akbar.